The man who lost everything. There once was a man who had everything he thought he needed. A good job, a home, people around him. His life looked full. From the outside, almost perfect. But life can turn in an instant. The job was gone, the people left, and hence his home slipped away. And suddenly he was standing in the ruins of what used to be his life. Alone, broken, empty. At first he cursed the world. Then he cursed himself. And then he cursed the unfairness of losing everything. He thought life was unfair and that happiness was gone forever. Because everything he had tied it to had been taken away. But slowly something began to change. Without the job, he discovered time. Without the noise of constant people, he discovered silence. Without the house, he discovered the sky. And in that emptiness, he found something he had been too busy to notice before. Himself. He began to walk, to breathe, to listen. He found joy in small things. The warmth of sunlight, the sound of laughter, the strength of his own two hands. And as he rebuilt his life, piece by piece, he realized something powerful and wonderful. He hadn't really lost everything. He had just lost the illusions. Because in the space that loss created came freedom, came clarity, came room for something greater. In time, he gained more than he ever had before. Not the same things, not the shallow comforts he once clung to, but deeper things, peace, purpose, love. You see, in life, in your life, sometimes losing everything is not the end of your life. Sometimes it is just the beginning. Because when life strips you down to nothing, you finally see what really matters. And in finding that truth, you discover a happiness greater than anything you thought you lost. This is Do Motivation Stories. Thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed.